What is up, my Tough Build fans? Welcome back to yet another Tough Builds episode. My name is Chris. You guys are joining me on my 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost platform for quite some time. If you guys are my original OG subscribers, you guys knew that I had a Focus that I was modifying. But we are here with Silver Bullet, and today's video is going to be doing the rear differential. Now, if you guys have chatter going on in the rear differential or whatever the case may be, keep in mind that there is an additive that Ford sells, Amazon sells, my store sells, AutoZone sells. It doesn't matter where you go, just make sure that you get the limited slip differential additive to go with what you're pouring into your differential. I know that every bottle that we sell says that it does come with additive already in it, but just keep that in mind. Most of them don't, and most of them have very small little bit of additive in them. You want to add the proper amount so you don't mess up your rear differential. Trust me, you don't want to mess up that.
When you're ready to do the differentials on your 2015 through 2022 Ford Mustang, you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet. And we're going to go underneath. I'm going to show you exactly where to put it at. You want to make sure that your fill plug comes off before you take off your drain plug. Let's go underneath the car and see how the fill plug comes off.
Right above here, you're going to see your drain plug and your fill plug. With your 3/8 ratchet, you're going to go into it. You're going to put your 3/8 ratchet in it just like that. And you're just going to start turning it. Yours won't be that easy, but I did just do mine. What we're going to do is we're going to check and see where the oil level's at, and then we're gonna drain it and refill it. After you get your oil fill plug off, you're gonna go ahead and check your magnet. Now, both of these have magnets on the bottom of them. So that's all you're gonna do is just scope it out. You can see mine has a lot of metal on there. All that ring around there is all metal. It will do that from time to time, depending on how rough you are with it. And if you don't have the proper additive, you're going to get bigger chunks. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take the drain plug out now that we have the fill plug opened, because you want to make sure you have that open before you take off your drain plug. If you take off your drain plug and you can't get your fill plug open, you're screwed, buddy. You are very, very screwed. We're going to go ahead and do now, guys, we're going to go ahead and take this bottom one off, and then we're going to get a tube, and we got to stick a tube in that hole right there. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a quick seckie. Take the drain plug off. And as you can tell, she is pretty dark. That is pretty dark differential oil. And I just recently did my differential not too long ago. But we're going to do it again. On most of your differentials, you're going to see the sticker right here. Now, most Mustangs, especially the ones that have independent rear, you're going to see 75, 85. You're not going to find that unless you go to Ford. So what you can do is you can go to O'Reilly's and get 75, 90. Yes, our fluid does come with pre-additive in it, but if you feel a lot more safer, you can go ahead and pick up some more additive and put the proper amount of additive in your differential. Now it is time to fill the differential. I already put one bottle of it already in there. There's our hole. That's where this tube right here is gonna go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tube. You're gonna put your tube in the hole, just like that, aiming down, of course. You turn your bottle. Your whole bottle needs to be turned upside down, and you just need to squeeze. Keep squeezing the second bottle until you start seeing it leak out, and then you know your differential is full. That is pretty much how you do a rear differential on a 2015 through 2024 nowadays. I know, right? Dark horse coming soon. That's pretty much how you do a differential on any one of these vehicles. You can do them on a Jeep, you can do them on a Dodge, you can do them on no matter what car you do. Just make sure that you are able to get your fill plug off before you get your drain plug. If you get your drain plug off and you can't get your top fill plug off, you just fucked up and you got to fix that problem. But beside the point, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to let you guys know we did get another sponsor, and we're going to be going over that very, very soon. It is not very car related, but it is still motor related. It's for two-stroke motors and all your lawnmowers and weed whackers and stuff like that. But we are going to be announcing that video hopefully after the next video that comes out. There will be the next video with their sponsorship. I want you guys to go check them out when I do post a video, so make sure you keep your post notifications turned on. We are growing so big, and I thank every single one of you guys that has taken your time and smashed that subscribe button and liked my videos, and you guys are doing fantastic. Now, for those that don't like my videos or don't subscribe to my videos, why are you guys not subscribing? It is free. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button, because things are going to start getting beautiful with this car. We are going to be doing a head gasket, and I'm not going to tell you when, but we are definitely going to be doing it. We're going to be adding a few new things to Silver Bullet, and then it is coming for the transformation of the Mustang EcoBoost. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure that you smash the subscribe button, hit the bell on the side, like this video, share it with all your friends and family, and I love you guys, every single one of you. Thank you for getting me to almost 2K subscribers. I will see you guys in the next banger.